We have touched on many topics this semester in our Intro to Communications and Media course. Throughout the summer semester, we have been curating our online ePortfolios through given assignments and discussion boards. The main topics we focused on were social media, other media platforms, branding, and social responsibility. This is my welcome page on my ePortfolio, and though I mostly followed the template on the welcome page of the portfolio, I decided to include some personal work as well and link my social medias and coursework YouTube account. Design, mixed media, and writing are some of the things I personally want to advance in my career and with a degree in communications and media from CUNY SPS. My About Me page goes into more personal detail, including my interests, my past accomplishments and works, and my goals for my future. I chose to use the resume I would use for internships and jobs when applying, as it lists not only my scholastic accomplishments, but also my past internships, skills, and relevant past jobs I have held. Under the heading for this course, I included two main subheadings that I found most impacted me this semester. One was my media presentations, and the other was social media and movements. The presentation I chose to highlight in my portfolio was the assignment about politics and social media. We have delved before into where we get our news and political information, and what media platforms we trust to give us the most accurate information. For this assignment, we explored the intersection of viral social media content and political campaigns. By being able to reach viewers through empathy, many political campaigns are able to go viral on the internet just like any other shareable content. Under the social media and social movement analysis subheading, I included this assignment on social media and movement analysis. Social media forms the way that we intake our information and news, and one of the ways it accomplishes that is by spreading human rights movements on mainstream media platforms. I chose this assignment to include due to the nature of the Black Lives Matter social media movement and its effects on social media and news consumption. Social media allows there to be a vast reach to the targeted consumer and audience, no matter the physical location. It also shows the intersectional relationship that it has with political campaigns.